Ryan here from Media Ace Marketing. You ever dig a trench by hand when you should have had a skid steer? You can get the job done, sure, but it takes 5 times longer, wrecks your body, and you still don't get it as deep or consistent as you want. That's exactly how most contractors use their online presence. They're digging with a shovel hoping to hit a lead, when what they really need is a machine that builds long-term authority. If you're someone who takes pride in every line you cut, every base you compact, then why settle for a website that barely shows that care? All because you can rank on Google. It doesn't mean you're using your online reputation the right way. Most contractors treat their website like a lead tap. They want more traffic or clicks, but forget that visibility without authority just leads to more price shoppers. People asking if you can beat somebody else's price before they've even seen your work. Your online presence isn't a way to get more people to call. It's how you help the right people feel confident calling you. Think about it like this. A skid steer doesn't just dig deeper, it also does it clean, consistent, and faster. That's what your website can do if you use it to build authority instead of just chasing rankings. Instead of just displaying finished patios, show why you prep that base the way you do. Document the steps other contractors skip. Help people understand what quality looks like. You control what people believe about your business. Every post, every photo, every review is a response to a brick in your reputation. When you position your online presence to create authority, customers call asking about availability, not discounts. They say, "I saw your work on a site," instead of "what's your hourly rate?" You don't just want people to get the job. You want people saying, "I heard you were the best one to call." If your website's just a digital shovel, we need to turn it into a machine. Give me a call at 517-955-2154 because you don't just build patios, you build trust. Let's make sure your website reflects that.